Wild crow breeding ground identified in my jungle. Watch the video till the end. What do you feel about these crows? Lovely crows. Comment in the comment section. I have 10,000 plus pigeons and 500 plus dogs and 160 plus cows on this YouTube channel. So watch them all. In the playlist, you can find all the videos, or on the channel you can find them. These crows, see how they are feeding on this their meal. Please subscribe to this channel and watch the video till the end. By by mistake, I found out that these crows are feeding on this place in this 300-acre jungle. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Crows are very lovely birds. Wild crow breeding ground identified.